the band where stories sparkle brighter than your post-vacation glow. Greetings of the day. Welcome back to Samsud International School Hermau Newsroom, your go-to place for all campus buzz, heartwarming achievements, and headline-worthy moments. Let's kick off this term with a powerful thought. Every ending has a new beginning. And with every beginning, we grow stronger, wiser, and closer to our goals. And now, fasten your seatbelts. We are diving right into the highlights that made us smile, cheer, and maybe even tear up a bit. With pride, of course.
Summer vacation, sun, fun, and a whole lot of sleep. Summer break, the magical time when clocks are ignored, pajamas are worn all day, and the phrase, "What's for lunch?" is asked at breakfast. But beyond the naps and Netflix, we explored hobbies, spent quality time with family, and returned with stories and memories. Now, with hearts refreshed and minds recharged, we're all set to jump into the term with more energy.
100% pass result grade 10 2024 and 25. A huge round of applause for our previous grade 10 batch who made us all proud by achieving a 100% pass result. This incredible milestone is a reflection of their tireless dedication, the unwavering support of their families, and the constant guidance from our passionate teachers. And this is not just a result, it is a moment of pride for all of us at Samsud International School. Our top achievers have truly set the stage ablaze. Miss Tapseed dazzled with a stunning 96.2%, Miss Siddhi Chowdhury followed with a brilliant 94%, and Mr. Samarth Sarkar made his mark with a strong 93.5%. The remaining 43 students have also delivered phenomenal performances, proving that with dedication anything is possible.
At Samsung, we believe in nurturing more than just academic excellence. Our students are taught the values of compassion, integrity, discipline, and confidence, all of which reflected in this incredible achievement. A massive shout out to our dedicated teachers whose endless support and encouragement guided our students through every step of this journey. And of course, heartful appreciation goes to the families who stood by them through thick and thin. They've set a shining example for the coming batch of grade 10. Students found a rising urge of competitiveness to beat the standards of the previous batch.
To our current grade 10 students, take inspiration from the achievements. Dream big and stay consistent and never underestimate your potential. The path is lit and now it's your turn to walk with a pride and purpose. Congratulations once again the champions of 2024 and 25. We are proud of you always.
PT1, grade 10 sets the bar high. Just before the vacation, our grade 10, which is 2025 to 2026 champs, took on periodic test 1 with focus, determination, and maybe a little last minute revision magic. They showed great commitment, and the results gave them a clear view of their strengths and a few "oops, gotta study that better" moments. Awesome job, grade 10. Keep the momentum going, and always remember, books before reels.
PTM Grade 10 2025-26. Following the successful completion of PT1 exams, the Grade 10 batch of 2025-26 participated in a thoughtful and a constructive parent-teacher meeting, a key moment in every learner's journey. The meeting served as more than just a review of marks. It was a powerful reflection space where parents and teachers united to discuss not only the academic performance but also each student's attitude, efforts, and personal growth.
We believe that education flourishes through collaboration, and that was evident through the PTM, where students, parents, and teachers together embrace the spirit of respect and purpose driven progress. Constructive feedback, goal setting, and the words of encouragement fill the air, empowering our students to take charge of their learning journey with pride. Here at Samsit, we are not just shaping exam scores, we are shaping strong, compassionate individuals ready to thrive in a dynamic world. A heartfelt thank you to all the parents who made time to connect and to our teachers for their continued guidance, patience, and unwavering dedication. The Grade 10 batch of 2025 to 26 is on a mission, and with this kind of support system, the sky is just the beginning.
Exciting collaboration with Tata Class Edge. We are thrilled to bring you some groundbreaking news from the world of Samsud. In a proud and a progressive move, the Samsud group of schools, renowned for its value driven and a holistic approach to education, has officially entered into a strategic collaboration with Tata Class Edge, a pioneering edX organization under the prestigious Tata Group. This collaboration was formally announced at our ECT branch Bengaluru, marking a major milestone in our school's mission to redefine the learning experience for our students.
Through this partnership, Samsit aims to blend technological innovation with pedagogical excellence, bringing in cutting edge learning tools, smart classrooms, and interactive content, all designed to make learning more dynamic, engaging, and student centered. It's not just about keeping up with the future, it's about creating. This is a leap towards a brighter tomorrow where every child at Samsid will be empowered with resources that match their curiosity and potential. As always, we thank our school leadership, visionary educators, and support parents for believing in the power of collaboration and change. We can't wait to see the transformative impact this partnership will bring to our classroom and to our future.
That's a wrap as we turn the page to this exciting new chapter. Let's carry the spirit of growth, gratitude, and grit with us every day. At Samsit, we don't just educate, we empower, rooted in the values of compassion, confidence, curiosity, and character. Samsit nurtures not just brilliant mind, but the kind heart and resilient spirit. Here, every student learns to dream fearlessly, act with integrity, and lead with empathy.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams by Eleanor Roosevelt. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep shining, Samsidians.